Kanji order 109. So here the main sound is higashi. That means east. East, higashi. East. So this is direction. East, west. North, south. So this is the east. So two sound. One is higashi. Another one is to. Higashi. 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 Another one is to. To. Higashi. This is to. Two sound basically. Again higashi and to. Higashi and to. Higashi itself has a meaning. This is called east. East. Higashi in Japanese higashi and English east. And to. We know the use of to. Tokyo. Tokyo. We know the Tokyo. Tokyo, the capital of Japan. So here is to. To means east. That means Tokyo. This is the east. Kyo means capital. So Tokyo, east capital. Tokyo, the meaning. To means east. Kyo means capital. So east capital. So this is the east. Two sound again higashi and to. Higashi and to. So a stroke is first here is long, second one, this, third one is long vertical, long vertical, a little long, fourth one is that one, that one. Again it's ni, san, yon, go, rok, nana. So again each ni, san, yon, go, rok, nana, hachi. So this is the stroke of this kanji. Again two sound. One is higashi, another one is to. Higashi and to. Higashi itself, it has a meaning. Again higashi. The sound is higashi. Higashi. That means east. The meaning, this is east. Higashi. And we know the Tonan Asia. So South Asia. Tokyo. Tokyo. So here is another sound. To. So if you write the kanji here, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So Tokyo. Tokyo means capital. This is Kyo. Kyo means capital. To means east. So in Japan here is Kyoto, two name. one is Tokyo, another one is Kyoto. So Kyo itself has a same Kyo, but To here is two different things. One is here To, another one is last To. So this is the different. To means east. To means capital. So in one sentence, Daigaku no higashi ni oki kawa ga arimasu. Daigaku no higashi, that means east, higashi ni oki kawa ga arimasu. In the east side of the university, here is a long river. So long river in the east of university. So Daigaku no higashi ni oki kawa ga arimasu.